So ano yung goal? Or like a somewhat dream in terms of the next level of content? Or would you wanna go out? Kasi nga ito yung parang bread and butter mo that works eh. If you wanna copy yung mga classic...
He's kind of expanding now by posting Reco stuff eh. In a way, medyo out of scope siya. Well, food pa rin,
No,
pero
I've kind of
Reco.
I did that na rin early on. Like I was doing restaurant features na rin early on. Yeah. Pero I really don't do it as much. Kasi nga it's only a few restaurants naman na parang I feel comfortable featuring it. Yeah. So, yun. Ang main content ko pa rin talaga is the cooking content. And I guess in the future, siguro kung anong gusto kong gawin. I mean, I actually want to end up in YouTube. I want to explore that platform, like do long form shit. Yeah. Pero kasi that's the thing, like my content, I shoot everything I do everything on my phone.
Yung DIY ka pa rin, ikaw shoot, edit, script, like
I do
no
everything.
Phone. Yeah.
All on my phone. I shoot, edit, VO with my phone. VO ako sa loob ng kotse ko.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah.
Yun yung hacks.
Yun nga isa kong tanong eh. Parang,
When
paano
you
ka
do
nag-VO? Parang may mic ka ba? May mic ka for sure.
Mic
Sa
ng
auto.
phone.
Mic ng phone lang yun?
Yeah, dude.
Hindi siya parang road
Get
na
this
parang,
shit.
ako nga pala, ito yung gagawin ko next.
Phone lang, dude. Tapos, yun, I recorded
Grabe.
in my car. Kasi sa kotse lang talaga parang tahimik.
Actually.
Patay yung reverb.
Patay lahat.
Background noise.
Kontrolado mo siya eh.
Tapos ang init nun, bro. Kasi nandun lang ako
Oo nga,
Kasi
patay
pag
siya.
Patay siya eh. Patay yung kotse.
Aircon ka, parang
So, kung mga take four,
maingay.
Patay yung kotse. So, pagpasok ko sa kotse, on ko muna yung kotse. On ko yung aircon para may lamig. I turn it on for a bit. And then, like, you know, dun na ako nagpa-plan. How am I gonna do the VO? Ganyan-ganyan. And then, pag okay na, I turn the engine off. And then, yun, I start doing the VO.
Oh, sakto. Sa
Natatawa lang ako
mga, sa mga
nag-imagine
audience
eh.
dyan, yung gusto yung mag-VO sa auto kayo.
Oo, coach ko may
Basic.
kotse.
Basic hack yun. Hack. Quick hack.
Not everyone has a car though, but like, if you have a friend with a car, or like, you know,
Pare, pwede mo na 30 minutes lang. Pasakay lang. Unlock mo, pare.
but yeah, dude, that's what I do. I do the VOs in my car.